and thank you for tuning in to Acadiana's news channel at 5:30. I'm Anna Fisher. We begin tonight here in Iberia Parish, where the Acadiana Symphony Orchestra is merry and bright for their Sounds of the Season concert. I got the chance to speak with a seasoned professional who's been playing the clarinet since 1951.
I don't know how many years here in Iberia for the Christmas concert, but I've been with this symphony since it started 40 years ago.
For over 70 years, Art Rydell has been blowing on his clarinet as much as possible. From picking up the instrument in 7th grade band to teaching the instrument at UL, Art tells me his love for music started with Benny Goodman.
I like Benny Goodman so much that I like clarinet.
Now, as he prepares to play for his 40th Sounds of the Season Christmas concert in New Iberia, he's looking forward to ringing in the holidays with the classics.
Well, it's music that almost everybody has played for years. So just getting used to the tempos, the dynamics and stuff like that, that's basically what the rehearsals are about.
The free concert took place on Sunday at 3 o'clock at St. Peter's Catholic Church in New Iberia. Baton Rouge Symphony maestro David Torrens was the guest conductor, as the Acadiana Symphony Orchestra is currently going through a transition.
They just had a wonderful music director, Maestro Smolich, and I think now at some point they're going to be transitioning to a new one. So yeah, so right now we have guests coming in, and I get to be one of them. It's really an honor.
Playing 3 different kinds of clarinet, Art says he's most excited to play alongside other dedicated musicians.
I love the camaraderie, playing with lots and lots of really fine musicians.
To read more about this story, head on over to our website at katc.com or download the KATC mobile app. Reporting in New Iberia, I'm Anna Fisher, your Iberia Parish reporter, KATC TV3.